Welcome, and in this video I will show you how to deposit euros using crypto.com in 2022 and beyond. So let's start. Well, first of all, you need to download the crypto.com app and go through all the KYC procedures, etc. And once your account is set up, then this is what you will see. So you click either on transfer or you click down below on the crypto.com logo, but I click on transfer. Then I see deposit or withdraw. Well, we would like to deposit euros, so I click on deposit. Then I can choose if I would like to deposit crypto or fiat, and fiat means euros, dollars, pounds. This is what I would like to select, fiat. So now I see that euro is already set up, and as you can see, you have to first set up a fiat currency wallet before you can deposit fiat. So if you would like to deposit dollars or pounds, then you need to set up a currency by clicking on the plus button. But in this case, I already set up a fiat euro wallet, so I click on euro, and then I see SEPA. This is currently the only way to deposit euros. As you can see, it takes on average 2 to 5 business days to appear in your wallet, and you can transfer up to 1 million euros at a time. There's no fees, and you will be using the SEPA bank transfer. So I click on the right arrow, and now you see your own IBAN number, you see your BYC Swift code, and you see your account holder name. So what you need to do, you go to your bank account, and you just send your funds to this IBAN number, and of course to your account holder name. And I personally use my BYC or Swift code, and I use it in the notes section, but it's not really that necessary. Just to make sure everything is okay, I use it myself. And that's it. You send your funds to this IBAN number and to your account holder name, and that's it. Make sure to only use your personal bank account. As you can see over here, you can only use your personal bank account to deposit directly. And I also try to do it with with my business bank account, but that was not possible. So make sure you use a personal bank account. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.